Hey friends, welcome to this audio-only motivational minute, where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Have you written at all today? Are you planning on writing today? Whether it is an hour, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever time interval you have available, make sure you sit down and do some writing. You don't have to have your computer with you. You don't have to have your favorite pen or notebook. Look at your tools that you have available, whether that is a scrap of paper, your cell phone, whatever you can get a hold of, and scribble down something. A line, a paragraph, an entire chapter. Make sure you write something today. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone! Also, the audio-only format today is because my camera wasn't charged and my cell phone wasn't working. So, another example of working with what you got. And if you liked this sort of thing, we might have some very different videos coming next month. Make sure you subscribe. Bye!